In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a keyboard shortcut for inserting symbols that you might use frequently in a Microsoft Word document. This works for 365, 2019, and probably some earlier versions of Microsoft Word as well. Now, the easiest way to do this is to insert your cursor at the beginning of a section where you would first want to insert your symbol. And from the insert ribbon all the way to the end of that, and use this symbol button here, drop that menu open. Okay, now it's giving you a visual panel of symbols, and my section symbol is not in here. So I would need to expand this, and I would click on more symbols to open it a little bit further. Now I could look all through here and go through all of these different menus and try to find the symbol for sections. I'm not really sure where it's probably in. I'm not sure where it is, but let me just show you an easier way to find it. You could go to the Special Characters tab and open that up, and in this tab it will provide you with a list of symbols and any associated shortcut key that you could use to insert that symbol. Now here is the section key that I want to insert through my document, and say I'm going to insert it 36 times in 50 different sections. It's already telling me here that I don't have a shortcut key yet created for that symbol, so let's create one now. Alright, select that symbol and go to this button here that says shortcut key and open that. Okay, now you can see that there is no current key written here, so you're going to create one. And every time you create a shortcut, you have to use like the control button with it. Okay, so you're going to hold that down and use whatever pattern of keys that you want. So I'm going to use Control SS to create my shortcut key. And then I'm just going to hit this button here that says Assign. Okay. And then I'm going to close my customized keyboard, and I'm going to close my special characters box, and now what happened? Nothing. So if you look at my cursor, you don't see the symbol there, but I'm going to insert it very easily using my keyboard shortcut Control SS. There you go. See, that's a lot easier than hunting and pecking through the symbols. You know, who knows where it is in here? I don't even know. It could probably be in Latin or something. But if you create your own shortcut, you don't need to hunt through this box. This will save you a lot of time, and you can look like a pro when you're formatting your long Microsoft Word documents. I hope you found this useful, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you next time.